frame, he's got a gun on it, so he's fine. He's big with it. Ben, and back over, and the kid's walking up, and he's just squeezing all over the floor. He's pouring out of it, and nobody realizes it happens so fast, you don't really feel it.
Good boy. Alright, so we got Ethan up under here, getting all this bullshit off.
I'm gonna get mad shit for these Ryobi tools. On Milwaukee's in my car.
What is this guy doing using Ryobi? Definitely got some freshy looking oil. God, this thing is caged. Jesus.
Never looked under an N54 car.
No.
Lot of oil.
Yeah. My valve cover's cracked, so.
Yeah, you see all up in here. Sheesh. All right, we gotta get these rear ones off now. I need my 8mm gain. Again.
Yeah, that's shit ton of oil. But my valve cover is cracked, so. Nice. Oh my God, what is that? Where'd you get that from?
It just fell out of your car.
Oh my God, from where?
It's just because these things catch dirt over time and the dirt compiles, and then you get a dirt block.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's from right here. It was like sitting right there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So I gotta remove this piece and then this metal piece that's above it.
Alright. Fuck. Yeah, that's right. Get a good workout.
That was ridiculously tight. Probably haven't been taken off in 10 or more years. Woo, that was a rusty one.
Damn. You got some
You
WD?
can zoom on that baby right there.
Oh,
Sheesh.
yeah, that thing is.
Yeah, look at that thing. Sheesh. And there's your old DP. Wow. We might not be able to get it apart. That's a 12, I believe. We'll grab a long 12. This is the new popular candle wax trick.
It shows people
You
doing
ready?
things. Yeah. Oh, what it So what does that like do? It just
For whatever reason, it works really good as a bond breaker. A rust bond breaker. I suppose because it's smooth, like even after it solidifies, it still kind of like acts as a grease almost, you know?
yeah. We'll see how good that thing works out in a bit.
Looks crazy, it just pops off. No, sir.
Yeah, I never even heard anything like that. It's kind of crazy.
There you go.
Nice. Manpower stronger than drill power.
Yeah. Everybody's like, oh man, you impact that on? My quarter-inch impact has 300 foot-pounds. No, it doesn't.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Yeah, so this whole thing is, I mean, it's going smooth so far. Gotta burn some shit off as y'all seen, but making progress. Do that again?
Hit it again? Yeah.
Oh shit.
Be careful with those.
God damn, yeah. Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Grab a pick. Take this and start smashing up in there.
Alright, let's get this shit. Finally got this piece of shit out. God, you're freaking wasting precious metal. I know. You don't care though. We're just trying to get this shit done and out. Fuck, you see where I can't even see that one. Yeah. God, this shit. God, you're really good smells. Yeah, guys know.
We have a lot of shit, huh?
Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Big old chunk.
Yeah, nice and warm. Ooh. Alright, so we're pretty much done. Got the sauce and everything back on. That shit was a bitch, and I got that catalytic converter shit all over me. I feel like I'm gonna get cancer now, but thanks to Ethan, the race master. Oh. But yeah, we're gonna see how this thing.
Master?
Yeah.
Yo, this boy remembers.
Yeah, throwback.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see how this shit sounds.
Now you gotta get rid of the big can.